Efforts are underway to enhance wildlife habitats in Nebraska. Researchers have found solutions to boost healthy ecosystems that can support both ag production and biodiversity, in turn benefiting rural communities. And Dr. Andy Little with the University of Nebraska-Lincoln joins us now for an update on this topic. Andy, we're sure glad to have you with us. We are hearing about changes in turkey populations across the Midwest. What are you seeing there in Nebraska?
Yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate the opportunity to join today. What we've seen in Nebraska since 2009 is a 45% decline in wild turkey populations here in Nebraska. That started a study then about 3 years ago. We just wrapped up our third year of the study. We've seen a lot of different things, but a couple of factors we've seen are nest survival is similar to other states, 20 to 30% on average, and then brood survival is variable depending on the study area.
Yeah, that's a pretty significant decline. So what kind of movements have you seen in these birds?
Yeah, we saw last year we had a juvenile hen that moved over 60 miles from her winter location to where she nested at over in Colorado. We've also seen other birds moving 10 to 20 miles, which really illustrates the need for landscape scale conservation work.
Let's talk about your team. How are they using this information to help producers and landowners?
Yeah, the research that we're getting, again, we're just finished up the year 3, and so we're analyzing that data, but that'll help guide landowners and management agencies to implement conservation strategies to boost nesting cover, brood rearing cover, and fall-winter cover.
You've also been working on something called prairie strips. Tell us what those are.
Yeah, prairie strips are perennial vegetation strips that are placed into corn and soybean fields, so it's forbs and grasses with the goal of reducing soil erosion, improving wildlife habitat, and addressing water quality issues.
So I understand that you guys are also partnering with Iowa State on a prairie strip project. Tell us more about that.
Yeah, so we started this project about 3 years ago in collaboration with Iowa State. That's where prairie strips, or CP43, and the USDA CRP program started. We now have prairie strips established on 4 of our University of Nebraska Research and Extension Centers, so people can come out and see those firsthand.
We'd love to learn a little bit more about how you see this working to benefit rural communities.
Ultimately, a lot of the work we do in our lab is helping producers think about ways to optimize their operation, developing stackable enterprises where they can take out marginal acres, put that into alternative practices and such as hunting leases, ecotourism opportunities, et cetera, with the goal of maximizing their overall profitability while improving the sustainability of their operation.
Well, you guys always have some very interesting projects going on. How can people learn more about the research that's in action right now?
They can go check out our website at awesemlab.unl.edu at AWESM Lab, or go check out our podcast, Wild Ag Podcast.
All right. We appreciate you, Dr. Andy Little with the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. Thanks so much for your time this morning.